when a man of God divorces, others choose to stay, others choose to leave. No, mama, like you've made an example. But let's start here. None of us get married to divorce. Akekho umuntu ongena emshadweni ngoba athi ngifuna ukudivorce. Unfortunately, life happens. The vicissitudes of life happen to all of us. And pastors are not angels. Pastors are human beings. Unfortunately, when you are a pastor, you are judged differently. I don't want to say unfairly. You know, umfundisi uyabuza ubuhlungu, umfundisi naye uyashonelwa, akhale njengabanye abantu and all of that. Umfundisi naye uyadinga uku-encourage umuntu. And then so, unfortunately, when divorce happens, people ostracize you, people reject you. Into ebuhlungu nayo, urejectwa abanye abagowe through i-divorce, waba-embracer, waba-cancela, waba-restorer, wama nabo, waba-supporter, baze barise, baba-right. But when it's your turn, they all turn their backs against you, unfortunately.